Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
Okay, team, in you go. So we got just 30 minutes left. The first half has gone very, very smooth. There's a lot of work to be done in the main bedroom downstairs, and hopefully the boys' bedroom will get finished and look absolutely magnificent, Catherine.
Oh, it will. But come on, Stacey. More work. Come on.
Okay, I might nip out and do a bit more painting soon.
It's finished.
Easy option.
We're making over 4 rooms in this house in Eastbourne, East Sussex, and we've got a team of 22 handymen and women to do the job. Stacey's mum Lorraine has got no idea she's getting a makeover today. She's out with 6 of her 10 kids, and family friend Barry is filming for us.
Just say you could have a big wish. What would your big wish be?
To get my house decorated, definitely.
Yeah. And then
I can't get that before these, that's impossible at the moment, so that would be definitely my wish.
Oh, don't worry, Lorraine, we're doing it for you. And the living room's already looking a lot better.
We're coming in. Brilliant. What do you think, Stacey?
Looking good so far.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like the wallpaper?
Yes, I do.
Good. This is for the kids to colour in.
Oh, right.
They're little picture frames, so you can put photographs in it, or you can fill it in.
Oh,
that's the
brilliant.
idea behind it. That's good. And lovely orange, and you've got lots of black and white stuff. Oh my lord, are they bringing the floor in? They're bringing the floor in. This is very exciting here. This is a fish tank.
Oh, is it?
It's like a plasma screen fish tank. You can have a look in a bit. Come on, we're getting out of here. It's too much to see. Should we just stick these down in here somewhere? Fantastic. We do just have to have a quick chat about what's going on in here, because we have some very special people. Mr. Flex are here. Hello. And they're coming in, and they have designed a whole bed system that's going to work in here. We've basically got bunk beds going here, haven't we? Yes. Yeah. Bunk beds here, and then we've got a mid-height one there, haven't we? And we've got a goal somewhere, haven't we?
We have a goal, yeah. We have a football net coming under the mid-height. It'll look awesome.
Fantastic.
It will go very well with the...
Have you ever done one of these before and had a lovely picture of football?
Not with Chelsea.
Not with Chelsea.
We've done some other teams.
Stacey, what do you reckon of that?
Love it.
Do you think they'll like it?
Yeah, they will.
Is it a known thing that Celtic get in a little scrum? Is that what they do?
Yeah.
Are they having a cuddle with each other then?
Cuddle, we call it.
Not a cuddle?
No, cuddle.
Okay, fair enough. It looks like they're cuddling though, doesn't it?
Make way for the fridge, folks.
Okay, Catherine, so this is all your appliances coming
Yes.
into
Yeah, they are.
kitchen, yeah?
And they are from a company called Top Discount Appliances. So hopefully we had top discounts on all of them. How amazing does this look?
It just
really?
looks so much fresher. When you think we were in here this morning, it was so basic,
It's
wasn't
brilliant.
it?
But look what a difference. Just having these nice new work surfaces, and this looks brilliant. So you lot are just finishing off for it. Look, they're smiling and everything.
Well,
It's
when you
lovely.
guys have finished off in here and you've done all your finishing touches, you can go and help out in another room.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You've got some beautiful...
Your job isn't done.
You've got beautiful flowers to go in here as well.
In the main bedroom, Catherine's taken inspiration from the wallpaper design for her artwork.
They go in a specific order, but you know that, don't you? I do. Look at that, you've got it completely right. They look great. I'm trying to put that up for me. Fantastic.
Time to see what goodies Catherine's got by the van.
Okay, so what are these? I mean, obviously bean bags, but this one seems to be open at the top, so what's going on?
Well, this is lovely. This is a mummy bean bag with lots of baby bean bags inside. So it's really cool. It's called a Rubik's bean bag.
Yeah.
It's from Great Bean Bags, and it costs £150. And you can use it as a kind of luxurious two-seater bean bag, or
Yes.
it opens up and it has... I can pull it out.
Here we go.
6 little baby bean bags inside.
So have you actually got enough bean bags for all the kids to sit on
I
them?
think I probably have, yeah, but they're really cool and they're in really bright colours. That one can go out in the garden as well. And it's just going to, you know, they can't all sit on the sofas, so I think that's pretty cool.
Gorgeous.
Brilliant. But going a little bit more adult now, not beanbags, come and have a look at my beautiful...
This is very, very nice, isn't it?
Now this is just like a chest of drawers. you could put it anywhere that you wanted. It's like buying a piece of furniture. It's really special. It's from Gel Fireplaces. It costs £875.
Wow.
But it's really cool because you put the gel in it and it's just like lighting a candle.
Yeah.
And it just gives off heat out the front, so you can put it, you haven't got to worry. It's ecologically friendly. It doesn't give out any nasty smells. It's really safe for the kids as well. Even when it's not
beautiful.
on, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Okay.
So I'm very pleased with that. And if you have a look
What
over
else have you
here,
got? Let's see.
now this is very special.
Yep.
This is from a company called Wish Furniture, who are based in Hertfordshire, and it's a tailor-made sideboard. It was specifically made to fit in their living room. It was a little bit expensive. It was £1,150.
I'm looking at it. This is for the living. Sorry, how much?
£1,150.
Okay.
And I have a little story to tell. When the lorry driver went to pick this up, he was a bit early, and it was so fresh from the tree that there were bits of the tree still lying around with the branches sticking out.
Oh.
So it's a really amazing special piece of furniture
that's
that they'll
lovely.
keep forever. So
I
and it's
hope
quite
they
solid
appreciate
as well.
it. I'm sure they will.
I'm sure
When we
they
tell them
will.
the price.
And one
Okay.
last little surprise for little bottoms. Have a look over here.
That's not our bottoms then, is it?
Well, yours, maybe. Definitely not. Don't ask me to sit in one. Here we go. We have got a dinky little deck chair.
They are so cute,
Aren't they cool? Well, I thought that they could all line up, the three boys, and sit in them and play their computer games. But what's brilliant about them is I'm thinking practically, of course, deck chairs stack away, and I'm not going to do comedy, hilarious, trying to stack them away. And we're going local. These are from a shop in Brighton called Cupcake. And I just have to say, there are some fabulous children's dinky furniture out there at the moment.
Yeah.
Much more than they used to be, so go have fun with it.
Okay, let's get on.
Come on. Oh, we're the wrong way round, you know. Let's go that way. Oh, we're so helpful, aren't we? Climb. Oh, my Lord! You shouldn't let me loose with a curtain pole, particularly not with spiky finials. Whew. I'm not sure in my tight jeans. How nice is that?
Very
look?
nice.
Gorgeous. It's a company called Romo who do beautiful fabrics and wallpapers. So we're doing very coordinated.
Quite dark though, hasn't it?
Can you see how that now ties in with our lovely pictures, you see?
Ah, I see. And
I'm
it's
afraid.
it's not a big exposed wall of terracotta, is it?
No.
Broken up.
Would have been too much. Too much
See,
for me.
I think I'm a marvellous painter.
Yeah. No.
I think you're just threatened by my talent.
But you should have seen my TV presenting. You should have seen me
sure
do
you're marvellous.
They
Marvellous
weren't-
with the stopwatch.
They weren't very scared of me, though, I have to say. I'm going to stand right here next to Jasper, give him a little poke, make sure he's still alive. You all right there?
Yeah, I think I'm just about surviving.
He's doing a top job. I just wanted to come in and admire this fabulous kitchen, which is really coming together. And I just wanted to say that we have completely coordinated all of our appliances. We've got the same appliances and the same look everywhere because I think it was such a mishmash before. But just by replacing your appliances and having lovely, sexy-looking ones like this, it makes a big difference. Wouldn't you say so, Jasper?
Oh, it's stunning. It's amazing, isn't it?
He's my favourite helper.
Boys, this is lovely. Is this their fish?
No, different fish.
Different fish.
Yeah, they're
It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? How much would this normally cost?
around £600.
Really?
Fully fitted, yeah.
And you can fit these into the walls and things, can't you?
Onto the wall, there's like a picture. There's like a living picture.
And is that what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let's see how you do it.
These tropical fish are in mature filtered water, which has been specially prepared for the fish. The water's also temperature controlled.
Stacey, come and have a look at this. Oh, what do you think? Oh, that's brilliant. Isn't that lovely? Wow. Kids are going to love this, aren't they? Yeah, definitely. Now, who's into the fish the most? Is it the boys?
The boys and my mum. She
Really?
loves the fish. So this is going to be a real treat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Up in the boys' room, the team's got just one bed left to build.
This company, basically, you ring them and talk to them about your needs. This is true, isn't it? And you do just come in and completely design the room for you.
That's correct, yeah.
That
all
is
the,
correct.
all the beds and all the cabinets to go with it.
Normally in an hour?
Not really.
Not really. And obviously we have gone with our Celtic theme here. The problem with this room is that obviously it is a small room and we are having to sacrifice either the view out the window or the lovely footballer's legs. And because we seem to all be so enthusiastic about the footballer's legs at the moment, we're going to put this bed here. It's going to fit against the window. But the good thing about this is that you can move it around if you want to anyhow. But I think this is the one with the football net, isn't it? This one. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to leave you to get on with it because it's really hectic in here, and I will check. That looks great though, girls. Fabulous.
Okay, Stacey, now, if you see here,
look.
we've had the pictures of the kids put onto a canvas. Isn't this lovely? Now, what I want you to do is do them in order of age, because look, who's this one?
That's little Lorraine.
Lorraine. She's got a little titty lip, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm going to leave you to carry on.
Okay.
Cheers.
In the living room, the flooring's going down, but they've still got to get the furniture in.
Let's come in here and talk about my favourite thing at the moment, which is this stuff, which is marmoleum, which is basically a very posh lino. And the point of this, it might seem a bit weird to put a lino in a living room, but I use it a lot when I'm doing clients' houses. I often put it in nurseries because it's just brilliant. If you get anything on it, you can wipe it really easily, you can mop it up, and it's really, really practical. And this room has got hundreds of children in it, so if they spill something, it doesn't matter, they can just wipe it up. And it actually looks really nice as well. I remember we've got bean bags everywhere too, but this is, oh my goodness, the fish are in. Hello, little fishes. Very important to colour coordinate your fish as well, obviously.
This mattress from Shore Sleep is heat sensitive, which means that it moulds itself around your body shape, giving you more hip and back support during the night.
Hi, let me take a look upstairs.
That's a real design thing. Let's have a little red apples there. Little tableau, very nice. Oh, fantastic. Can I just show you this? Look, they've even put cornflakes into the containers. Look at that. All in 60 minutes. Okay, chop, chop, everything's fine.
Look at this, the boys are going to freak when they see it, aren't they?
Here.
You saw the bedroom before, didn't you guys?
Come on, he dribbles. We got time for this, we got time for this. Toy boxes.
It's fabulous.
They're getting on with the television, but come and talk to me. These are really, really special. They're from a company called 55max.com, and basically we sent them some images of all of the children, and they've had them put onto the blinds, so they're specially made. And they're a fab company, because not only can you have them put onto cushions and basically anything you can think of, they also do floor tiles as well. So you could have your favourite puppy on the floor as floor tiles. But it's just really cute and it's really nice, and I think it's made the room a real family place.
1 minute.
Oh, just get it all in. Don't worry about it. Maybe the flower's over somewhere else. Maybe I'm out of here. I'm out. All right. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about the box. We'll leave it. It's kind of a funny memento mori of what the room used to look like. Right, but we'll leave it to paint. Let's get out and let's accessorise. Tailor-made. Very gorgeous. Right, let me put my white beanbag down in a flamboyant fashion.
20 seconds, everyone. 20 seconds. Where are they going to go, the deck chairs?
Well, let's just stick them over here. Yeah, let's put one over here. Put them there.
Is that the extension?
Okay.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Give me the
That's 10 seconds. Can we move this one over?
Yeah.
1 minute, Catherine.
1 minute, right. Yeah, sorry.
5,
deck chair.
4, 3, 2, 1.